Welcome to CaryPress Books. It is our mission to support writers establish successful author careers. Why you should use writing services. Writing services offer professional resources that can help you accomplish your writing goals or requirements. Just as you can outsource almost any task, grocery shopping, house cleaning, accounting, pet sitting, you can customize writing as well. The categories that can benefit from using writing services are wide-ranging. Whether you need a resume, ebook, article, captions for your social media posts, a newsletter, or copy for your website's landing page, you can enlist the services of someone whose expertise is writing. A skilled writer can create or enhance a novel, memoir, nonfiction book, blog post, or short story for you. Both companies and individuals often use professional writing services for technical writing, business writing, and medical writing. So regardless if you need written material for business purposes or want to publish a fiction or nonfiction book, writing services can be a valuable strategy. There are several reasons you might enlist the help of writing services. You may feel you don't have good grammar or language skills, or you don't have time to write, or maybe you just don't like writing, period. Perhaps you don't know how to put the technical terms of your profession into easy-to-read words. A writer proficient in the kind of content you need would save you from needless stress. You may even be a competent writer, but one day find yourself confronted with that blank screen or empty sheet of paper, and your mind goes numb. Writer's block has struck, and you need a blog post for your business, and you need it soon. Or you know what you want to write, but there are pressing matters in your business that need your attention, or other priorities, like your family. Why spend the time researching, writing, making edits, and proofreading when you could have an experienced writer handle the process so you can focus on other important things? It is important to find a writing service that will be a comfortable fit for you. Many writing service companies have on their website an automated platform in which you fill in your requirements. For example, if you would like to have a nonfiction book created for you, you plug into a form the number of words you would like to have written, the title of your book, the genre, deadline, and what kind of editing you want. Depending on the package you have chosen, the system will calculate the price for you and deliver your book in the agreed upon time frame. You can also go with freelance marketplaces where writers on the platform can bid on your project, or you can view the writers' profiles and choose someone you hope is best suited for your project. Services such as these can be hit or miss in terms of quality, so you need to carefully assess the ratings and reviews of the writers on the platform. You might feel more comfortable working with a writing services company that offers a more personal touch and is attentive to your individual goals. CaryPress is an experienced full-service writing service where you can get content edited or ghostwritten, published, and marketed. As is the case with nearly all writing services, the rights and royalties are yours. Once you have paid the fees, you have complete ownership over the finished work with your name as the sole author. CaryPress offers many affordable packages depending on your requirements, including expedited services. You will be assigned a writer with the area of expertise you require, whether the focus is medical, technical, business, fiction, or nonfiction. The writers are top researchers and can handle any field or subject matter. Depending on the package you choose, the team of professionals can help you with SEO, marketing, and sales. Working with the dedicated team at CaryPress is a collaborative process. You are provided with regular updates and can be as involved as you would like. Your input at any stage of the process is welcome. The result is original, professional content suitable for online or in-store sales, putting on your website, or keeping as treasured books for yourself and your family members. From instructional materials to illustrated children's books to full-length novels, the amazing team at CaryPress is here to help you succeed. If you are in need of ghostwriting, editing, or publishing services, we invite you to request a complimentary strategy session.